Back from vacation, here's what I found. A Reading smoking caboose. I got it for 25 bucks. It was listed for 35. Got it for 25. It was a good find. Then in another antique shop, I found this Southern Red City of Kansas City lighted caboose. I got this one for 10 bucks. Amazing find. And finally, I found these two little items, N scale. I got these for $2 each. The locomotive is unpowered, but if you ask me right now what antique malls I got these from, I couldn't be able to tell you. Some of them were in, I know the K-line was in near Strasburg, and the other ones were in Tennessee, I believe. And here's the Reading caboose. It was used. It's got this huge figure sitting there. He's not glued or anything. I got to take him out of there because he doesn't look good at all. And the reason why I got it is because it's a smoking caboose. I don't have a smoking caboose. I'm not too fond of that green and yellow, but it looks really good. And here it is on the track, smoking. Sweet. It looks really nice. I think I got a very good deal on it. And here's the other side, so you can see the huge figure. I like the red and yellow on the marker lights, or those lanterns, or whatever they are. Really nice. And here's the Southern LCCA City of Kansas City caboose. This one, it was cheap. I like the Southern, so I decided to take it. Well, there she is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You'll see these in a future video. Hey, happy railroading. Bye.